Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is Gaussian bar. We have created a new secant and then input a video in this timeline. This video I want to select a woman face Gaussian blur, that is blur background. Okay, so we are going to effect and searching Gaussian blur, take it and drop down here and select effect control box and Gaussian blur. There is three options. We are select oval, then customize it, adjust it at yourself small and drop here and we adjust the angle. Okay, this is perfect. Then we are going to small display. Okay, the Gaussian bar marks and click the play button, marks play button. Okay, this is automatically rendering. Then we are select here and select the file and marks. There is a option marks opacity, it will be 100% obviously, no doubt. And if you want to invert it, then you can invert it, no problem. Illurizer is 50% or above or below if you want for adjustment. Okay, no problem. We are seeing the feather now. The feathering is very important for a video. There is heart shape, so much heart shape, so we are given feather 40% or above, 40 to 50 or something like that. We drop down here 40%. Okay, after 40%, what is the change? Wow, this is soft, smooth cutting, smooth feathering. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you very much.